In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize form fields in Smartsheet. Form Builder 2026. Open your browser and head to smartsheet.com. If you haven't already, sign into your account. Use your usual credentials or single sign-on, and complete any verification prompts. This part is quick, and once you're in, Smartsheet drops you on the home page. From home, we're going to find the sheet that powers your form. Remember, Smartsheet forms feed rows directly into a sheet, so choose the sheet where you want new submissions to land. If you organize your work, select all workspaces to see everything you have access to. Pick the workspace that contains your project, then select the specific sheet you want to use. When the sheet opens, look to the top toolbar and locate Forms. This is your hub for creating and managing any forms tied to the current sheet. Click Forms, then choose Manage Forms. You'll see a list of forms associated with the sheet. Click the form you want to update and select Edit to open the form builder. Inside the builder, you can tailor the experience for your submitters. Fields here map to columns in your sheet, and the order in the builder controls the order users will see. Drag fields up or down to rearrange them. Click a field to change the label so it's clear and action-oriented. Add a helpful description to guide people on what to enter. If a field is essential, toggle it to required. For cleaner data, set the appropriate field type, like dropdowns or multi-selects. Then pre-fill choices or a default value so responses are consistent. For numbers, dates and emails, apply validation where available to prevent typos. If you need a brand new prompt, add a field and choose the matching column type, such as text via number, date, checkbox, or contact. You can also hide internal-only fields from submitters, or add conditional visibility so certain questions appear only when they're relevant. Don't forget to adjust confirmation messages and any form header text to match your tone and instructions. Before you exit, use Preview to test the form like a respondent would. Submit a quick test entry to confirm values land in the right columns on the sheet. When everything looks good, save your changes so the live form reflects your updates. And that's it. You navigated to your sheet, opened the form from the Forms menu, and customized the fields for clarity and clean data.